welcome to Roma. We're near Vatican and we're about to have some lunch. Italian food.
Yeah, wait there to start.
We're going to Vatican City and we're taking a tour. So ito yung ticket namin for the tour. So Vatican City is a city, it's a small city inside Rome.
Technically, it's a country.
Ayaw nga pala. Okay, it's a country. Smallest country.
In the world.
In the world. And we're gonna go inside and take a tour. Mahirap mawala dito. So kailangan susundin mo yung flag na yan para hindi ka mawala. So madami kami magte-take ng tour and this is our tour guide.
I need to introduce myself and apologize that I haven't done it. My name is Romina, okay? Yeah.
Romina from Romania.
No, from Roma.
Iba pala yung Romania. Ibang country pala yun. Baka maligaw tayo dito. Ganda pala dito sa vegan.
Vegan, Intramuros to.
Intramuros na medyo malamig. So yung loob niya, yan na yung Vatican City. And this is what they call the Vatican Wall.
And behind, I mean the Vatican City, the foreign country, beyond the wall. Have you already been here before? Or some of you? Some of us. And behind you there is the, you see in the distance, the columns of the square, St. Peter's Square. Okay, but we are going to go there at the end of the... So now we'll walk by the boundary, the border of the state, okay?
Okay, so yung advantage of booking online or booking a tour, ito yung lalagpasan mong pila. Sabi nila you have to wait 2 hours before it's your turn. Pero kami, ayun yung guide namin. May express pass kami. So after going sa outskirts ng country, we're finally here. Yan, dyan kami papasok. Hello, kuya. Let's go! Andiamo!
Andiamo!
Ito yung headset natin. It's like a guided tour.
Okay. Okay.
Paano ba? Paharap pala ito. Ito yung suot pala namin. It's like an earphone. Pero marinig lang namin is yung voice ng tour guide namin. So habang naglalakad kami, she's gonna give us a tour. And then it's better to hear her with the earpiece. St. Peter's Basilica pala is built over a graveyard. Kaya siya graveyard kasi si St. Peter doon siya living. Guys, did you also know that Vatican City is not just the smallest, but the richest country in the world? So yung dome na yan, that's a St. Peter Basilica na. We're gonna go there. So yung tour guide namin, ayan, dyan siya nag-explain sa mga posters na yan. Kasi pag pumasok na kami sa Sistine Chapel, hindi na siya pwedeng magturo kasi bawal maingay. So dito niya na yun ginagawa habang nasa labas pa kami. So in Italy, guys, you can smoke anywhere. Even in the Vatican, even if it's not part of Italy, smoking is everywhere. Work of art and it's called Sphere within a Sphere. We're inside the Vatican Museum, pero this is just a part of it. So this is like their hallway, pero dinisplay na nila yung mga sculptures dito just because there's a lot. So ito na yung papunta ng Sistine Chapel. So this is Sala della Muse, which means the room of muses. Ganda! Alam niyo ba guys, itong sculpture nito is about 2,000 years old. Ganito kadami yung nagtitake ng tours for your statues. Kadami nila, I cannot remember each and every one of them anymore. Unless siguro maging tour guide ako, tapos aralin ko sila. So, yung next area na papasukan namin, it's called Gallery of Tapestries. Tingnan nyo, kahit saan kayo napunta, nakatingin siya sa'yo. Grabe, ang galing. Dito naman is the Geographical Maps Gallery.
Galing mo naman. Alam mo
Siyempre, aral ako eh. So, itong mga maps na to na nasa wall, they're maps of Italy. Galing, no? And even the paint on the ceiling, mukha siyang 3D, but it's all just paint. And finally, papunta na kami sa Sistine Chapel. So we're outside the Vatican Museum and this is the Cathedral of St. Peter. Grabe, sobrang ganda.
This one and that one, the two colonnades, they are part of the border. Between the two colonnades, there is a metal fence, that's the border. When you are out, beyond the fence, that's Italy. And now, if you are within, it's the Vatican City. The column, the two arms, the borders, and this one, and the gate. Okay?
Ito talaga, ginagawa akong cameraman nito. Influencers in the wild.
This, guys, is St. Peter's Basilica. Gustuhin ko mang mag-vlog ng sobra-sobra dito. I can't because it's a holy place. So just enjoy and see what's inside this cathedral.